guys, Gaming Guy TV here, and welcome back to another DIY video. Now this is probably the last one for a while. So today I am going to be teaching you how to make fisheye or God's eye, which you all have probably seen but may not have heard by name. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need popsicle sticks, yarn, you can use one or two colors, a glue gun, and then glue sticks for your hot glue gun. So, let's get to the assembly. So, while our glue gun is heating up, you are going to want to take 2 popsicle sticks and line them up in an X, like that. Now, we're going to hot glue these 2 sticks together in the exact same spot. So, line up however many popsicle sticks that you want to make. Not popsicle sticks. Line up as many popsicle sticks for as many God's eyes as you want to make. I'm going to make 4. So, I'm going to let my glue gun heat up, and then we're going to get to the hot gluing process. Alright, well, my glue gun is hot, so I'm going to remove one of the popsicle sticks. And then I'm going to pipe on some hot glue, and then I'm going to take the other popsicle stick and press down so that the glue can dry, and then we are going to do this for all of the other. Alright, so now that all of our sticks are glued together, we are going to unplug our glue gun, and then we are going to get to the making process. Okay guys, so at this point, all we should need is our hot glued sticks and some yarn. Now I'm going to start with my black yarn. So this is the single colored one, and you're going to want to start with a nice piece of string. And then you're going to want to start at a corner and literally just do this. And what this is it's taking the string, wait, okay, hang on. I need to start with a bigger piece of string. Okay, so I'm going to want to take the string, place it on a popsicle stick, and then loop it around, and then place it on the next one, and loop it, and we're just going to keep repeating that for a while. If I can get it right. Okay, so I'm going to take this, loop it around, and loop it around the next, and loop it around that one, then we're going to loop it around that one. And this one, if I can manage to... Okay, I got it, guys. It just took me a minute. Okay, so when you're close to the end, like this, you're going to want to loop a couple more times. And then you're going to want to take the edge that you ended on, loop like 3 extra times on it, and then cut the string. And you're going to loop it around until you can't, and then you're going to flip the thing over and thread it under the other pieces of string a couple times. And then I'm gonna snip some of the remnants of that. And there you go. We have our first God's Eye. Now this is black. I'm gonna make one that's red, and then we're gonna get into 2-color. So here goes the red one. Alright, so the red one is done. Now we're going to get into the multicolor. So we have our 2 single-colored ones. Now we're going to get into the making of the multicolor one. So I'm going to start with black for this one, and then on the next one I'm going to do red. You're going to want to start out the same way. But you're not going to go as long on the same color. Alright, so I'm going to stop here for black. At least the first black. And again, I'm going to do the same ending process as I did the last time. And if you actually do it right, there shouldn't be a spot to tuck it underneath. You're just going to have to pull out one of the recent threads and thread our end piece through. And then you're going to want to pull it as tight and loop it around and hold it there. And then you're going to take the red, loop it around a couple times, and then start doing your ring around stuff with red. Like so. And then once you decide you're done with red, again, you're going to want to snip it, ring it around a couple more times, lock it through one of the other ones, and then you're going to want to wrap the black around it, and I'm probably going to end with black. So again, you're going to do the normal snip off thing. and you're going to loop it around a couple things, and then you're going to want to trim off a bunch of the loose edges, and there we go. We have a multicolored fisheye. So I'm going to do one more multicolor one, and then I will end the video. Alright, and there we have it, our last multicolor one. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely be sure to click to subscribe and click the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!